Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials and acting immediately. Lay the hair net flat, then locate the tier and the nearest intact mesh. This is your anchor. Thread a single needle with matching thread and tie a small secure knot. Make it tight but not bulky. Pin the net so the whole edges meet without overlapping. Once positioned, use short, controlled stitches to draw the mesh together. You're fixing the structure first because alignment determines strength and appearance. You continue by stitching carefully to restore the mesh. Use small whip or mattress stitches, about 2 to 3 millimeters apart, so the repair blends with the net's pattern. This distributes tension across fibers. Every 3 or 4 stitches, add a tiny backstitch to lock the line. This prevents the seam from opening under movement. If a section is missing, weave the thread through adjacent loops to recreate the grid. Make sure to keep tension even, because irregular pulls will pucker the net. You finish by securing and testing the repair so it lasts. Tie 2 small knots, trim the tail to about 0.5 cm, and tuck the knot into the mesh so it won't catch hair. Gently stretch and flex the net while inspecting from different angles to confirm the seam lies flat and gap-free. If you see puckering or a gap larger than 2 centimeters, use a tiny elastic band to reinforce or opt to replace the net. This is your one key troubleshooting step if stitches won't hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.